Hey, it's me, Rebecca. I'm just about to catch up with my monstery friend Murphy.
Hey, that gives me a monster idea.
I thought it might.
Let's get monster making. Hi!
It's an egg box lizard. We'll need a tissue box, 2 egg boxes, coloured card, bottle lids, paint and stickers. First, tear the lid off one of the egg boxes and glue this upside down to a tissue box. This will be the lizard's scaly skin.
Sticky, sticky, stick, stick.
Use masking tape to stick another upside down egg box to the end of the tissue box. This will be the lizard's head. Now we're ready to give this a lick of paint.
Painty, painty, monster painty.
We also painted the inside of the egg box pink. Leave that to one side to dry, as now we need to draw 4 legs. And a wiggly tail.
Wiggly, wiggly tail.
Let's cut these out with some monster magic.
Coming right up.
Thanks, Murphy. Let's glue these to our lizard's body. For a tongue, we can use this strip of pink paper with a point cut in the end. Let's also glue white bottle lids on the top as eyes. And finally, we need
stickers.
Exactly. Some for nostrils. And some for eyes. There we have it. 1 egg box lizard all done.
Well, my monster makes are sure to make anyone's day monsterific.